Introducing the all-new Gryphus by Exile Base. The Gryphus is a parachute for the outlaws of adventure, the seekers of the unknown.
This is fucking terrifying.
For those who yearn to unlock their limits and experience the freedom of flight. The explorers of the sky. The mountain pioneers. The silhouette amongst the city skyline. This is ultimate versatility. This is the Gryphus. The Gryphus, gravity reimagined.